And now we are on to coats. Coats always go in the back. So I have an array of coats. I have pea coats, I have blazers, I have coats that I wear, sporty coats. So let me show you a couple of jackets that I have right here. This is a white pea coat. It's short sleeve, it's light, it's perfect for California. So I always keep this at the front because I wear it a lot. Now the jackets that you wear the most, you always want to keep in the front. And the heavier ones, you always want to keep toward the back. Now again, of course, I color coordinate. So I have my white jackets here, and it goes all to my khaki over here, and of course to my black over here. And you always, always, always have to have a black long pea coat, and that's a must because no matter what color you're wearing, black goes with everything. Unless you're wearing brown and then you want to get a brown pea coat as well. But I have that, and another great thing to have are blazers. Now blazers are wonderful because if you're not in the mood for a full length coat, you can have a blazer if you're cold, if you want to get dressed up a little, it can go over a tank top. You always want to have a black basic blazer. Now I put this with the coats as well because it's a jacket, so you don't want to put this with your blouses. So make sure you put this in the back. And again, it's black, so it goes toward the back. And this way you have your summer colors and you have your winter colors, but of course in California, you can wear any color at any time.